Hey everybody, it's Suzanne de Blasio, the Services District Educator for ULTA Beauty out of Northern New Jersey. Today I'm going to bring you a technique that we teach in ULTA Academy, and it is how to do a face frame using your shears. So we're going to start off with the sectioning. It's very similar to a video I did with using the razor, but if you didn't catch that one, that's okay. You can just catch it on this one. So what I did is I started in the front of the head, and I went about 2 inches back from the front hairline. I then took a diagonal back section, going to right above the top of the ear. What I then did is I sectioned out the perimeter about 1.5 inches down to maintain the length, so I'm going to just tuck that away. Now what I'm going to do is release my section, and I'm going to comb it into natural fall to establish my guide. So my guest said she wanted her face frame to start right under her chin, so right here. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut. Once I have the cut, I'm going to turn her a little so you can see the angle. I'm going to take all of her hair and I'm going to bring it all the way to the center of her nose. And I'm going to cut it in a diagonal finger position. The reason I'm using a diagonal finger position is because I want to have the weight in the back. So I'm finding my guide and I see it down here. So what I'm going to do is get my guide up to the top by placing it in my comb, and then I'm going to tilt my fingers diagonal with the length to the floor, and I'm going to cut. See how I am straight out at 90 degrees? We want that elevation, and then we want the diagonal finger position. So I'm going to make the cut. Maybe not a lot of hair to cut, but the impact is going to be fantastic. So when I release that and I comb it back down into natural fall, you can see how the hair automatically goes into that nice face frame angle. I'm going to repeat it on the other side. Just hang on. Okay, so on the other side I did the same sectioning and I isolated my perimeter. So I'm going to tuck that away. And to find my guide on this side, I'm just going to use the guide from the previously cut section. So by combing it straight down right in front of her nose, I can see that's where the guide is and where it needs to be cut. So again, I'm going to push this back onto this side. I'm going to gather all the hair, and I'm giving you a front view so you can see exactly where we're standing. So I'm standing right directly in front. I'm going to move over so you can see the finger angle again and the elevation. So there's my guide right here, and I'm going to take it straight out. 90 degrees means I'm having it parallel with the floor. I see my guide right up there. My finger angle is diagonal with the weight falling to the bottom. I'm going to drop that out. And now I'm going to blow dry her, and I will be right back. And here is our final result after she's blow dried. As you can see, it's a nice solid line, but it also falls in really nice and soft. So this is a great way to do a face frame. And thank you for watching.